This is a video tutorial on the use of the Infinite Campus Parent Portal app, which is available in the App Store or Google Play Store for download. The video will demonstrate the iPhone app. However, the Android app is very similar in its organization. Once downloaded, you can click on the app to get started. To begin, enter your parent username and password. If you've forgotten your password or username, you can recover those by clicking the links below. If you are a new user to Infinite Campus and have never activated your Infinite Campus account, click on the Help link to access a form you can complete for the appropriate activation key. Before you click Login, be sure to select Stay Logged In to receive push notifications of any updates when they happen. When you log in, you'll be taken to the Message Center, where district or school announcements are made and posted. Across the top of the page, you will see three icons. The icon on the left allows you to access a variety of the most used features of Infinite Campus. We will begin there. Today gives you a quick look at what assignments may be due today and tomorrow, as well as the daily schedule for your students. If you have multiple students in the Berea City Schools, you'll be able to switch between them within the app on the right side drop-down menu. Moving along, we find Calendar. Calendar shows you what assignments are due and on what day. You can also switch to the student's schedule and attendance from this page as well. Assignments. Browse assignments by class and due date. You can also see what work is currently marked as missing. Under grades, students' grades are posted here as they are updated. You can switch between grading periods as well. Gradebook updates posts the items that most recently were added to the gradebook. Attendance, you can view student attendance records for their class or classes, including absences and tardies. Schedule, view your students' daily schedule. Academic plan is not available at this time. Fees, list existing and paid fees for each student. Documents, access report cards, learning plans, student schedules, and a variety of other documents. More, access additional resources such as family information, address information, health records, etc. Across the top of the page, you will notice that there is a bell logo. This is the Notification tab. In this tab, you'll be able to see notifications for events such as assignments, grades, and attendance. These would come as push notifications. The final tab on the top menu looks like a person. In this tab, you can select Settings, where you can change notification settings, modify when notifications are sent. If you stay logged in, these notifications will show up as push notifications on your device. Account settings. Here's where you can change your password if necessary. Finally, back under the Person tab on the far right, you will find the language settings, where you can change the display language within the app. Hopefully, this tutorial was helpful in navigating within the Infinite Campus app to understand the features, monitor your students' progress, and be involved in the educational process. Thank you.